Tapi. Going on, my Jules Ninja here at our first gym, Harumama SD in Little Italy. We're here specifically because I want to try the Koala bun. It's for the Australian fire reliefs. So let's go check it out. Upon entering, we were kindly greeted by the friendly staff. And as you can tell from the wooden counters and tables and the ambient lighting, it already gives off chill vibes. So here's what the menu looks like, guys. Right now it's happy hour. So you get to choose one ramen plus one side for the price of $13.95. And here you have your normal menu, bites and buns, sushi and bowls, ramen and noodles. We're here specifically for the character buns. That's what they're known for on their Instagram, and that's what we want to review. So stay tuned. Alright guys, our character buns have arrived. Here up top we have the polar bear. I believe she's Nutella. Here we have the bumblebee. I believe she's a custard. And here are the koalas. These are limited edition. They're only offered until the 16th of February, but will be permanent soon. And with each purchase, $1 will be donated to the Australian Fires Relief efforts, which I think is very beautiful. And my salmon roll just arrived. Thank you so much. Thank you. And then we have right here the duck bao bao. So let's go ahead and give these a try. Alright, so I'm gonna try out the duck bao bao first. So from the pickled veggies, we have the juicy duck, and you have the soft bao. Perfect. I want to dip in a little sauce. Give me a little messy. That's amazing. Alright, here we have next is the crunchy salmon roll. First I'm going to try it by itself before I put it in the sauce. When it comes to crunchy salmon roll, there's different remixes here, especially in San Diego, where you have food infusions. This one's unique because it is kind of like crisp on top. I don't hate it. It's actually really good. But I'm gonna try with a little bit ginger, wasabi, dip it a little hot sauce. Fish is amazing. I like the fish. You can really do the sesame. Big fan of that sesame too. That's awesome. 10 out of 10 would eat it. Guys, now for the main event. We're gonna go ahead and split these open, review all the little feel sweetness inside. Be careful because it has the wrapping on the bottom, just like Sushi Bao, just like the most steamed buns. That's cute, right? Oh. Wow. That's fire. I'm not mad. I just got the flavor wrong. It's sweet red bean, but it's not as sweet as most mochi. Granted, it is in a bun, but it's good. Egg custard. Oh no, lost its name. Egg custard. This was actually recommended to me by the waitress, and I can see why. That is so nice. Soft, sweet egg custard. It's delicious. Wash it down with bitter green tea. Perfect combination. And now, last but definitely not least, the one I've been waiting to try. I'm so sorry about ripping your faces, but that is, look at that. It's just oozing out. You can see even little pieces of strawberry there. Look at that. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god. You guys know that strawberry shortcake bar? That ice cream strawberry shortcake bar? That's, think of that, but warm. When I was younger, my favorite ice cream was just that. This is just like complete heaven right now. And that's it for today's video, my beautiful jewels. I did enjoy today's meal, and if you guys would like to try it out yourself or any other items on the menu, come down to Harumama. And if you guys want to see more, go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Later.